precision, performance. Introducing the Fein MultiMaster. The Fein MultiMaster is a complete home remodeling and renovation system guaranteed to save you time and money. Coming up, you'll see amazing demonstrations and hear compelling testimonials from real people. And later, you'll see the unveiling of the new Fein MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe. The Fein MultiMaster is a commercial-grade professional power tool guaranteed to handle everything from your big remodeling and renovation jobs to your smaller day-to-day home maintenance repairs. The powerful MultiMaster doesn't spin or reciprocate like other professional power tools. It oscillates at over 300 times per second. This creates awesome cutting action while being easier to handle, more precise, and safer than tools that spin or reciprocate. The MultiMaster Home Remodeling and Renovation Kit comes with a host of attachments. By simply changing these attachments, you can do hundreds of repair, renovation, and remodeling jobs. Whether you're a do-it-yourselfer or a professional contractor, the Fein MultiMaster is an absolute must for your toolbox.
Hey there, I'm Jody Marks.
And I'm Pat Simpson. You know, both Jody and I have been working with power tools professionally for over 15 years, and no tool that we have ever used has impressed us as much as the Fein MultiMaster.
We are so excited to show you what the Fein MultiMaster can do. The MultiMaster can turn a kitchen like this into this.
And can turn a den like this into this.
And the MultiMaster can turn a bathroom like this into this. Stay tuned to see how all of this happens with the incredible MultiMaster.
It's a quality tool. It's solidly built. It performs flawlessly.
It's a great tool. The performance of it is fantastic. It really does excel, whether it's cutting, grinding, sanding. You can expect to get the most out of that tool, whatever the application.
There's applications where I need a very fine, smooth cut, and the MultiMaster works. That's what I appreciate about it the most.
The machine is phenomenal. It will allow you to do things that you can't normally do with your other construction tools.
I was blown away how good it worked. I mean, it surpassed all of our expectations.
You'll save time and money on hundreds of projects around your home. The MultiMaster is a complete home remodeling and renovation system all in that one tool.
Your house is always going to need repairs. It's always going to need renovations. So why not always have the best possible tools available for you right at your fingertips? This is a piece of tile that we've got some grout in, and I want to show you just how easy it is to remove the grout.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to turn it on. Look at that. I mean, that's all the way down to the cement backer board.
Now, underneath this tile, there is the thin set that's dried. So let's just go right down.
Ah.
Look how it peels that right off
Tipping
there.
it away.
You can go the opposite direction with it. This takes that thin set all the way down to the backer board.
Look at that.
Over to the carpet. Let's say we need to remove this carpet out. This is a scraper blade on the MultiMaster. But watch what happens here. We'll make a little racing strip here. How about that?
All right.
All right, check it out.
Especially if it's glued down.
And there she goes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
I love it. With our E-cut blade, we're going to be able to cut through wood and metal. So check this out. I'm going to go ahead and take this small one out.
All right.
See how quick that was?
That was. What about the big one?
Yeah, the 16
Here's a true test.
Look at that. Yep.
Piece of cake. So let's say that you're going to put down a new flooring system in your bathroom, kitchen, den, whatever. It's important and necessary to cut the stop, the door jamb. All right.
I'll move it around over here.
This side. Are we free?
Yes.
All
Look
the
that
way
out.
And then show them how that goes underneath. There.
Look at that. Fits perfectly
Wow.
with a nice tight fit. This is not a disposable tool, folks. The MultiMaster is built to last, and it is going to work as long as you own your home, I guarantee it.
There are often times when you have to remove the baseboard. There's no easy way to do that. If you try to do it with a reciprocating saw, the blade bangs into the floor, breaks your wrist,
We've done that a
breaks
couple
the
times.
blade. So we're going to make a little hole right here in the baseboard. And because of the precision cutting, we can do it without hitting the drywall. One cut.
All right.
Two cuts.
All right, well, what about if you've got to make a cut into the drywall itself?
With the high-speed blade, We're just going to make plunge cuts with this, all right?
That's a beautiful thing. Paperback
Spot
here.
right here.
Yeah, there you
it
go.
is.
This tool oscillates. It doesn't spin.
All
This
right.
is cut through drywall. It can actually cut through metal. But if it hits any surface that's soft, take a look at that. You cannot do that with a handheld circular saw.
But if you put it on wood, watch
Yeah.
what it does. Cut that right
Put it
there.
on
Show 'em.
wood?
Yeah. See there? All right, what you gonna do with your copper pipe?
All right,
there,
you got a
Jody?
copper pipe here. I'll just show you how.
Holy schmoly, look at that.
Okay.
Hard to reach sanding places because the oscillating action on the MultiMaster is so easy to get in on a horizontal, on a vertical, equally, if not more importantly, into the corner. We can also reach all the way into here. Watch this now. One fluid movement all the way around. One fluid movement. Oh, Jody, look at that. This is one tool, a few attachments, literally 1,000 possibilities.
Isn't that amazing?
It's the MultiMaster.
David Teal, I'm the senior editor for Popular Woodworking magazine, and part of my job is testing tools. A lot of times when you have a tool that's supposed to do a bunch of different things, something gets sacrificed with each of those different applications. And unlike that, the MultiMaster we found really excels in almost any application that you put it to, whether it's taking out tile, whether it's cutting trim into a very particularly tight area. It works well in all those areas. The tooling and the engineering that went into this, it's got durability and quality that's going to last for a long time. It's built to last.
You can almost point to anything in this room, and I've used the MultiMaster on it. This kitchen was horrendous before, and now it's absolutely beautiful. This tool works as good as what they say.
I've had my MultiMaster about 15 years, and I use it almost every day at work. It saves me a lot of time and money. I can grab one tool, bring one tool into the house, and do several different projects with it.
Whenever I have a situation that I can't think of what I need to use, I go, the MultiMaster has it in that box somewhere. I can always go to the MultiMaster and go, oh, I'll figure that out. For things you wouldn't think about, well, how do I pull that piece of molding off without breaking it? Well, I can slide up behind it and cut the nail behind it and pull it off.
We've created 3 rooms here in our set. We have a kitchen, we have a den, and we have a bathroom. And many of these areas have the same remodeling needs that you might have in your own home.
This is Kurt, who's going to be our contractor in here doing all of the projects in our bathroom. Kurt, what's our first project that we're going to be doing?
We're going to start with this broken piece of tile down here.
All right, go ahead, Kurt. See the way that grout blade goes right in there? That is so smooth.
You know what I like best about this attachment is, look, he's gone right up against the baseboard, but because it's got that smooth edge, it's not going to cut the baseboard.
That's rock hard grout in there. That's unbelievable. Look at that.
And you know what? He's going all the way down to the backer board underneath with just the one clean swipe. He's not having to kind of go back and forth or try to chisel it out with it. He's letting the machine do the work, and it's taking it right out.
And there comes that baseboard again. Look, right up to it, and it stops and doesn't hurt a thing. Oh, that's beautiful. Now, had he not gone all the way around that grout line with the MultiMaster, that would have quite possibly broken tiles next to it because that shot goes through the grout line.
Okay, so then after he clears out all of the debris here, he's going to come back with the rasp attachment.
Exactly, the rasp and the grout cutting blade have those carbide points on them. Look at that.
It's just eating that up.
Yeah, if you tried to do that with a grinding rock or even an angle grinder, you wouldn't have near the response you get from the MultiMaster.
And that's so important because when you go to put the new piece down, you've got to have all of that thin set out.
So he's dry fitting the tile now to be sure it's going to fit right in there, and of course it fits beautifully.
The MultiMaster makes it so easy to repair or replace your tile. Okay, let's go ahead and establish right off the top. What do you do for a living?
I own a flooring business, and I've been in the business for 30 years.
Okay, so not only do you know flooring, but you know power tools.
I like to think I do.
30 years, that's a lot of experience.
That
30
is,
years doing
I know.
anything. Okay, tell me what you're going to do.
We're going to remove the carpet and pad, prepare the floor for a new hardwood.
Okay, and you're going to use the MultiMaster with a
That we
scraper
are.
blade, so go ahead and get started. We're going
Okay.
to watch you for a second here.
Look at that.
All
That is
right.
just ripping that right up.
Okay, Bill, we're going to get out of your way.
Yep, okay, we'll be back to check on you in a bit.
We'll check back with you in a few minutes, Bill. Keep going.
First thing we got to do to finish our installation is take the MultiMaster and cut this register bend out. First thing we're going to do is set and make our cut.
Clean that up. Bill, that looks great.
Going right through there.
Beautiful.
Perfect.
Next thing that we need to do is to undercut our door jambs.
Okay.
So that we can complete the last of our installation here.
All right.
And this is just our scrap block. Start here.
So that should pop
That
right
I
into
do.
place, right?
Hopefully.
Nice.
Okay. Now we have one last thing to do.
Okay.
We've got to put a T-mold in here to complete our installation of the
Now,
floor.
you've already taken that measurement, right?
I've already taken the measurement, so if you'd be good enough to hold that
Sure,
for me.
absolutely.
Take our MultiMaster with a heat-cut blade.
That's going to be a nice
Hopefully
tight
our
fit.
measurements right here.
Oh, you know you're right. Wow, look at that.
You're the man.
All right, hold out your hand, Jeff, because I want to put this in your hand. And I want you to tell me what's the first thing that comes to your mind.
Solid.
Push down on it, quickly get it out of there.
Wow.
Isn't that great?
That's fast.
It's very fast. It's very fast.
Wow, that's really fast. That's cool.
Hey, Chris. How you
Hey,
doing, bud?
Chris.
Great, thanks.
Good to see you.
You've got quite the resume when it comes to contracting.
We've won a couple of awards, yeah.
A couple of awards. Remodeler of the Year for the state 6 years in a row.
And he is also Remodeler of the Year 3 years in a row for the whole western side of the United States. Now, you've got several carpenters that work for you.
Yes, ma'am.
How many MultiMasters do you have working for you?
We have 7 MultiMasters.
7 MultiMasters. All right, when did you buy your first MultiMaster?
You know, we bought our first MultiMaster about 8 years ago, and
you like it?
I will have to say it's one of our favorite tools.
How about that?
Talk through what we're doing.
Our project here is we're going to pull this countertop out and replace it. So before you got here, I cut all the plumbing out from underneath the sink and removed the sink. I cut the caulk between the countertop and the backsplash. And then I made a couple cuts on the countertop, so when it's time to pull it out, it comes out in 2 pieces.
So is it ready to come out now? Or?
I've already cut a few fasteners. I have 2 more on this end,
Okay.
so
Okay.
if you don't mind, I'd like to do that right now.
Oh, go for it. Yeah,
Excellent.
Don't let us hold you up.
Nice.
Are we free?
Are we
Yeah, I
good?
think we got it.
Okay, we'll get this out of your way and we'll check on you a little bit later.
Let's say you got a brand new countertop in
This
here,
looks
bud.
fantastic.
I've just got one more cut to do, and the MultiMaster is the perfect tool for the job.
Perfect.
Go for it. All right. Precise right to the edge, no overcut. That's beautiful.
That is a beautiful cut right there.
Lift that. You want us to get that out of the way for you?
Oh, there you go.
Got it out.
Yeah, I think it's gonna fit.
What do you think?
Perfect. Well, guys,
Come on.
I have to say, it was a blast working with you all, and the results are phenomenal. And you know, I want to make the point that the MultiMaster was the principal tool used to get these great results. Now, you know, when you buy a MultiMaster, you're not just buying a power tool, you're buying and investing in a home remodeling system.
The MultiMaster is the tool that gets used. You can have confidence that you'll get your money's worth out of the MultiMaster and a whole lot more. And again, the common thread of this entire renovation was the MultiMaster with a few attachments.
Hands down. Call the number on your screen right now and get your own MultiMaster.
The Fein MultiMaster is a commercial-grade professional power tool guaranteed to handle everything from your big remodeling and renovation jobs to your smaller day-to-day home maintenance repairs. The powerful MultiMaster doesn't spin or reciprocate like other professional power tools. It oscillates at over 300 times per second. This creates awesome cutting action while being easier to handle, more precise, and safer than tools that spin or reciprocate. The MultiMaster Home Remodeling and Renovation Kit comes with a host of attachments. By simply changing these attachments, you can do hundreds of repair, renovation, and remodeling jobs. The E-Cut blade is perfect for cutting wood or metal. With the E-Cut blade, you can quickly and precisely cut under door jambs. You can easily cut wood paneling on site without going back and forth to a chop saw. You can quickly and easily plunge cut into wood up to 2 inches thick. You can even get into tight places that would otherwise be impossible with other professional power tools. You can remove old pipes. You can cut nails flush to wood. You can quickly cut through 2x4s. You can notch wood for a variety of applications. You can cut baseboards without having to remove them first. No other tool can do this without damaging the baseboard or the wall behind it. The grout blade attachment is perfect for tile repair. You can easily remove grout from around damaged tiles. The segmented grout blade allows you to get all the way to the backsplash without ever overcutting. You can't do this with any other power tool. The rasp attachment allows you to quickly and easily remove old thin set all the way down to the backer board. You can also use the rasp to strip old paint or anything else. The scraper blade allows you to quickly remove your old linoleum flooring. You can easily remove old caulking from sinks, tubs, and countertops. The high-speed steel segmented saw blade is perfect for plunge cutting junction box holes into sheetrock. The high-speed steel segmented saw blade cuts without spinning, so you'll never overcut. You simply can't do this with any other power tools. The detail sanding pad with the included sandpaper is the perfect solution for refinishing your cabinetry. With a triangle sanding pad, you can easily sand into corners and other tight places. Other hand sanders will vibrate your hand and make long sanding jobs difficult, but vibration is virtually eliminated with a MultiMaster's oscillating motion. The MultiMaster is made by Fein Power Tools out of Stuttgart, Germany. Fein is recognized by high-end contractors around the world as the maker of a long line of premium, long-lasting workhorse power tools. Where other tools wear out or fail, the MultiMaster will continue to last year after year. The MultiMaster has been around for nearly 25 years. In fact, there are over 1 million MultiMasters in use today. The MultiMaster Home Remodeling and Renovation Kit comes with all the attachments you need to get started on all those remodeling or repair jobs you've been putting off. You can easily repair your damaged tile. You can refinish your cabinets and countertops. You can remodel your ceilings. You can replace your old flooring with beautiful new hardwood or tile. You'd easily spend over $1,000 on other commercial-grade professional power tools and still not be able to do everything the MultiMaster can do. On this special offer, you'll get the entire MultiMaster Home Remodeling and Renovation Kit, which includes the tool, the case, every accessory you've seen on the show. And as a free bonus, you'll also get the universal vacuum attachment that can be used with most vacuums. Dust is virtually eliminated by using the vacuum attachment. Call now and get a MultiMaster in your hands today. But we're not done yet. When you call today, you'll be automatically upgraded free of charge to the newest MultiMaster, the new Fein MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe. The Fein MultiMaster has always been the best oscillating tool on the market, but now the best just got better. The new MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe is better in every way. The new MultiMaster comes with extreme core technology that suspends the motor away from the housing for less noise and less vibration. You'll have up to 70% less vibration. You can now use the MultiMaster longer with less fatigue. And with less vibration, your cuts will be even more precise. The new MultiMaster is also quieter, with approximately 50% less noise. With the new StarLock Plus feature, you can attach accessories in one fast, easy motion. The accessories seat flawlessly into place with 100% power transmission to the blade. You can change blades in under 3 seconds. Your time is valuable, and this tool won't slow you down. A more powerful 350-watt Fein high-performance motor gives you 35% faster cutting speed. You'll save time, and time is money. With the advanced variable speed control, you'll always have the right speed for the job at hand. Improved electronics enable the new MultiMaster to maintain a constant speed, even under heavy loads. With the new Fein MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe, you get unmatched durability. The all-metal drive fan is designed for high load capacity and long tool life. A new cooling fan keeps the running temperature down and dramatically extends the life of the tool. The new Fein MultiMaster 350 Deluxe completely blows away the competition. No other knockoff oscillating multi-tool even comes close to the new Fein MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe. Fein is the original inventor of the oscillating multi-tool. If you want the right tool for the job, then you want the Fein MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe. The new Fein MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe is designed to the highest contractor standards. There is no amount of money you can spend on any competitor and get even close to the same benefits and durability as the Fein MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe. Call now. The Fein MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe package comes with more blades and more accessories than any other package offered by Fein. Call now and get a MultiMaster in your hands today. You've got 30 days to use it with no risk whatsoever. Put it to the test. If you don't absolutely love your MultiMaster, send it back, and we'll return 100% of your money, no questions asked. But it gets even better. Call now and you'll get free shipping. The entire MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe package will come right to your front door with no shipping charges whatsoever. Call the number on your screen and get a Fein MultiMaster on the way to your home right now.
You took 25 oscillating multi-tools in the shop for days testing these things. What'd you find?
So here's some of the things that we looked at. Blade change obviously is a really big deal. Bosch and Fein developed the Starlock system a while back. There's no question that is the best blade change system.
That is so simple. Okay, that is so cool.
It's that quick.
That is impressive, because I know my original one, you had to take a screw out. Such a pain. I'm a fan, not gonna lie. I might go get one now.
Vibration. Cutting speed is one thing, but some of these multi-tools will vibrate your arms off. Fein has vibration figured out. The MultiMaster has almost no vibration at all.
This is a vibration demo, because you've noticed how the tool vibrates, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna test it, the vibration of each of these models, the MultiMaster in the center, and then the two knockoffs. Flip that switch there.
Oh, okay.
Power strip, and we're gonna see who vibrates the most.
Yeah. Yeah, it's on. It's just not vibrating as much as these are.
That you can do this and not have your hand vibrate is everything.
Well, this one's a pipe demo. We're gonna cut pipe. You can start with the knockoff.
Competitor. Just where am I cutting it?
You can cut right there.
Right through there.
On the side, cut.
Okay.
And ready and go. Okay, 21.4 seconds, 21.4. Let's go to the MultiMaster.
Okay.
Same thing, ready and go. That was 4 seconds, 4 seconds.
Pretty nice. Impressive.
You guys go for it, man. Problem, dude.
Yeah, what happened to you?
This doesn't work.
Think of that tool.
That was nice. That was nice. I mean, you got one.
How do they compare?
I don't think there is a comparison.
No, there's no comparison. This one is a lot faster.
Well, this is absolutely amazing. You do such great work. Now, how long have you owned your MultiMaster?
Well, Jody, we bought our first MultiMaster 13 years ago, and it's the first tool that we take off our truck every day when we go to work.
I can see why.
I can see why. You know, the MultiMaster is built and designed to last a lifetime.
It's the type of tool that you buy only one time. You can use it for literally most any project around the house, and it's going to last you, as you said, a lifetime. It's German manufactured. It's German engineered to outlast any other power tool that any of us or any of you own. Hey, it's the MultiMaster.
I've changed the rear end, I've changed the engine, I've changed the transmission. All that's left now is the exterior, and I'm sort of dreading it. But now that I've got a MultiMaster, and with the Starlock on it, that I can just swap things around really fast, I'm actually really excited about working on it. I can get in really tough places to reach cracks, to areas where I couldn't use a regular kind of grinder or anything. All of that's included with all the tools that I get with the MultiMaster.
The first time I used it is when I was most impressed. I had to cut out a vent that sits underneath in the kick plate underneath the sink. So it's only, this high. And my vent wouldn't fit in. And short of a Sawzall, which just tears it up, or a keyhole saw, that's the wrong tool. And I put blade just about like this one, except for it was a wood blade, and I laid on the floor and just ran over there and just cut that out, and it was done like in 30 seconds. I was just like, oh, this is so cool.
There's never been a better time to buy the Fein MultiMaster than right now on this television program.
Call now, trust us, you'll be glad you did.
The Fein MultiMaster has always been the best oscillating tool on the market, but now the best just got better. The new MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe is better in every way. The new MultiMaster comes with extreme core technology that suspends the motor away from the housing for less noise and less vibration. You'll have up to 70% less vibration. You can now use the MultiMaster longer with less fatigue. And with less vibration, your cuts will be even more precise. The new MultiMaster is also quieter, with approximately 50% less noise. With the new StarLock Plus feature, you can attach accessories in one fast, easy motion. The accessories seat flawlessly into place with 100% power transmission to the blade. You can change blades in under 3 seconds. Your time is valuable, and this tool won't slow you down. A more powerful 350-watt Fein high-performance motor gives you 35% faster cutting speed. You'll save time, and time is money. With the advanced variable speed control, you'll always have the right speed for the job at hand. Improved electronics enable the new MultiMaster to maintain a constant speed, even under heavy loads. With the new Fein MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe, you get unmatched durability. The all-metal drive fan is designed for high load capacity and long tool life. A new cooling fan keeps the running temperature down and dramatically extends the life of the tool. The new Fein MultiMaster 350 Deluxe completely blows away the competition. No other knockoff oscillating multi-tool even comes close to the new Fein MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe. Fein is the original inventor of the oscillating multi-tool. If you want the right tool for the job, then you want the Fein MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe. The new Fein MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe is designed to the highest contractor standards. There is no amount of money you can spend on any competitor and get even close to the same benefits and durability as the Fein MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe. Call now. The Fein MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe package comes with more blades and more accessories than any other package offered by Fein. Call now and get a MultiMaster in your hands today. You've got 30 days to use it with no risk whatsoever. Put it to the test. If you don't absolutely love your MultiMaster, send it back, and we'll return 100% of your money, no questions asked. But it gets even better. Call now and you'll get free shipping. The entire MultiMaster 350 QSL Deluxe package will come right to your front door with no shipping charges whatsoever. Call the number on your screen and get a Fein MultiMaster on the way to your home right now.